Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting us the art of public speaking skills. My name is Hafsa and I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver a speech on father. I want to speak few lines in Hindi about father. मुझे छाँव में बिठाकर खुद जलते रहे धूप में, मुझे छाँव में बिठाकर खुद जलते रहे धूप में, मेरे पैरों में कांटे कभी न चुभे मगर तुम्हारे तलवों में छाले मिले, तुम सफर में हरदम साथ रहे तभी मुझको मंजिल मिली. No music is so pleasant to my ears as thy word father. Being a father has been without a doubt my greatest source of achievement, pride and inspiration. If any child is in any trouble, the first person a child remembers is his father. This shows the importance of the father in anyone's life. Father's Day is celebrated on the third Sunday of June every year throughout the world. The only person I always admire in my life is my dad whom I love. I still remember all my childhood memories with my dad. I think he is the best father in the world. I feel blessed to have such a father in my life. I always thank God for giving me the opportunity to be born into such a wonderful family. I wind up my speech thanking you all great people for paying heed to my words. Thank you so much and have a good day.
सलाम बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता. अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है. तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,